About. Sowore. Why did? Yeah, you just pass me. Even no matter how small I am, I say let me find out. Then you started going.
What is the fight?
Look at me very well, old past you.
No, we are not here
Look
to
at what you are.
age.
Don't tell me to be a kid here.
Please ask the person who has the list to talk to me. Don't take it personal.
I said let him find out. I'm not a human being.
Bring the person now.
How should I bring it?
You don't want to bring it, then let another person can bring it. Talk to me.
You're talking to me arrogantly.
This uniform is not the license to insult people. Understand? I mean, God.
You that boycott me, are you not a part of
I didn't boycott you. You said you're going to look for the list.
I said let me call him.
Can't
you wait for me?
I can't wait. I can't wait for my rights.
Which one for your right?
My fundamental human rights.
So let them wait and check first. That's why I said it's check first.
So go and check. That's your job.
Show. Show.
Not right.
What's that?
Show.
People are not present in court. That's why the people also laugh. You don't need to explain that to anybody. Everything is just made too complex.
No, that's the fact.
That's the reality.
Mr. Sowore,
They are fighting for their future.
Fundamental reality.
What is the aggression about? Thank you. And you can't just shake me like that. I'm an Igbo kid.
Sowore. Sowore. Quick question. I want to know why you are in court today.
Yes.
Why are you in court today?
I came to court for a number of reasons. I myself am a regular. I'm a regular in this court. I've come to check on my own treason case. It has not been assigned to a judge for a long time. So I'm checking with the registry to see why that assignment has not been done, or if it has been done, to make sure that I prepare for my own trial. But secondly, as a member of a public, an activist, an agitator myself, I'm aware of a high-profile case today here in this court. The trial of my friend, Nnamdi, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. A courtroom is incomplete except the public observes proceedings in court. Yes. And if it's a secret trial, the public must be informed that it is a secret trial. You cannot have a secret trial in a public courtroom. Yes. So I want to sit right in front of the judge in the gallery to observe what is happening in the court of justice. Yes. Because they have assured us, even in their own limited tolerance, that Kanu will get justice in this courtroom. We want to observe it. So, and he's my friend, as you guys are aware. And I've said it repeatedly. That it's not a crime to ask for self-determination. Yes. If you get involved in a bad marriage, you seek counseling. Counseling don't work, you can ask for divorce. Yeah. Yes. And before divorce, you can go for separation first. Yes. Yes. So there's nothing wrong with that. Nigeria is no longer working for a lot of people.
You're making sense.
It has never worked as a country. I mean, it has worked as a country, but not as a nation. Yes. But for us to make it work as a nation, we must listen to everybody who is called in Nigeria. You can't force people to be Nigerians if they don't have the dignity of being called Nigerians. So anybody that's asking questions about the nationhood of Nigeria, you can't just cram them into detention. And when you release them on bail, you go to their houses and kill them. And when they run away from the country, you go and adopt them back into the country and extraordinarily rendition them and bring them into court. You know, and you say that people cannot talk, people cannot come to court. And when we come to court, you bring your hooded men in uniform to be harassing people. And we told them, the DSS, the police, and all of them that are security agencies today, they are working at the mercy of the so-called Nigerian people. Yes. When we say we want to enter somewhere, their duty is to follow us. Yesterday, I was out here to protest on NSA's anniversary. They stopped us here in front of the courtroom as well. They didn't allow us to go to the National Assembly. We told them clearly, you have no rights to do that because we are the owners of all these structures and institutions you find here. Yeah. So, and we must keep emphasizing that it's unacceptable to keep behaving this way as far as our security is concerned. In fact, the security agencies have nothing or should have nothing to do preventing people from entering the courtroom. They can protect the premises of the courtroom if they feel there are credible threats. But I have not seen anybody here who is threatening the peace of this court.
Yeah.
One question,
except
sir.
Of course,
have
they stopped you from going to the court today? Have they stopped you, or you expect that they are going
They said they are going to check at a list.
Okay.
I don't expect my name to be on any special list. I am a member of the public. And when you hear that people are being tried in court, it's always listed one person and others. I'm usually part of the others. Yes. That is perpetually sued for all kinds of. I have over 10 lawsuits in this courtroom. Civil lawsuits, criminal lawsuits. I have lawsuits that are filed against the government. So I have even a right to come and be checking on the progress of my cases.
Exactly.
So why should anybody prevent me or say that my name must be on a special list? My name is on at least 10 special lists in this courtroom. If you can't find it in the courtroom, my name is on the security watch list in the country.
Your movement is restricted.
So I'm here in Abuja. I have a duty to attend to why you restricted me to Abuja for 2 years. So let's pay attention to what maybe they have found.
I can see you are dressed in Igbo garb today. Any reason for that?
This is an African garb.
Thank you.
No, my name cannot be on this one.
Has gone in.
This is a limited list.
Hello, sir. The leader of Hanese, they are there with you. Ejiofor has gone in. So it's part of the people. You were not there.
Now you go on and tell the council.
No, the people are there. So they should allow you to join the leader. I am coming from there now. Allow him to join the leader of the.
At least there are several.
He's not coming here. He will come to the
If you are worried, what exactly are you worried about? That I'm carrying weapons? So what's the problem?
Allow him to join the leader. Look, allow him to join the leader of.
So let me get to that gate.
Let him get to that gate.
No problem.
The lead person has gone inside. He will come and clear them. The lead person has gone inside. Just allow him to get there.
Everybody's my brother.
Allow him to get there. Somebody of that candidate, one time presidential candidate. Yes, I can only be when you know that we did not
where's my enemy? For the entertainment. Yes,
So that agree to.
This with ID card now. This is the way you have to come and find it.
This is violation of the sanctity of the court environment.
Before I got to this point, I have to check down all the ways from the other side down here. Yet, vehicle cannot pass from this way down here. I have to check. This is how I bought it.
Is a waiting the approval of the registration, the security operative for the So right now he's still trying to see.
I'm calling a bit. Over there.
Can go in.
Check out.
This is should be denied access to the court.
Hello, Mr. Kanu. Just speak with somebody. Hello? Hello? Wait. Speak with him.
Any water?
No, I will not go in. Speak with Mr. Kanu. He said he can't speak of his inside now.
They said they have to see some people. Before they don't have any right to stop anybody.
This is a court.
It's a court of law.
That is not the way they give you now. Public. So you're doing your work. It's quite understandable.
He's not doing it. This is not This is a wrong job. They just don't know their rights. Even they themselves don't know their rights. Otherwise, we are not allowed to obey illegal public law enforcement officers. If your bosses ask you to do an illegal job, you can't do it. Your boss cannot ask you to go and carry out robbery and you say that you are doing it. It's not accepted. It's not accepted.
I don't even know what is going on here. I just want to enter this place. I have a business. The
staff was here. He was
No.
Which one? Where is it?
Oh, right.